Hello guys, it's me today, Steven, and I'm making a video about Tower of the Hell. And it's gonna be me, my friends, Totsits, Nadia Plays, and Plustrap Gaming 222. But their real names are Nadia, Samira, Daryl, and Steven. I'm spun back. So
Guys,
we're
make sure to subscribe
today's
to all of us, and make sure to
Yep.
subscribe to Steven too.
So we're doing a try not to rage challenge because Tower of the Hell is a game that people rage so much. Good, I did not rage because I would have lost the challenge. My friends are good. Nadia especially, she's good.
And I do that ladder part.
So let's see if Samira, Nadia, or Daryl will rage.
Let's see if one of us wins.
Which is me so far. Oh no, skinny parts.
Oh, I can't make it to that part.
I don't think that. Yeah, like I said, they're gonna put our YouTube channel in the description. So y'all subscribe.
Okay, this ladder part. Ladder.
No
How come you let other people?
one
go
raged
there?
yet.
We're
This
not
is
Mr.
a
Ladder.
very hard challenge. Nadia raged already. Daryl raged. Samira raged. And for your info, we're talking on Discord. It's a website where you could ask your friends to download. You could call each other, talk.
I'm gonna be on
Mr.
Chat.
Ladder, thank you. Finally made me go up.
start crying.
No one's raging yet. This is a very hard challenge.
And nobody's rating. This is very hard to me. I almost raged when I was at the ladder part in the blue area.
You guys see me on the way out. I'm at the purple part.
Already?
Yes.
Oh, so far, you're in the lead.
Yeah, dang, Daryl. Okay, I need a gravity coil. I keep falling. Especially when I get to the green part.
This way.
Someone's name is
Ooh, I hate
Sophia.
thin blocks.
It's ×2 because someone made it to the top. Every time
someone made it to
somebody
the
makes
top.
it to the top,
Daryl,
they add ×2.
No, Daryl.
Another person made it, so I can't make it in time.
oh yeah, it's going by fast.
Every time someone makes it to the top, it's ×2 or ×4. Yes, finally I made it.
On this portal.
Oh yeah, this is very easy.
And again, make sure to subscribe and like and put on your notifications so you'll know when I make my next
You
video.
won't miss any video from Steven.
Subscribe to Nadia, subscribe to Daryl, and subscribe to Samira. We'll really appreciate you subscribing.
We're done with the video.
And there will be a shout out. Just type in the comment and we'll shout you out.
Yes.
Yeah.
Shout you out because you are.
We took the easy way. Yo, I took the easiest way ever. You know you don't even need to go through that. I want
that other map.
no one's
Other map's
raging.
Easy.
Oh.
No, I know this map. I played this
Daryl,
map.
you almost raged. No. I almost raged. So close. And just for your info, to get Robux for free, you can use this website called Op Rewards, but you don't have to if you want to. That's how I got my Robux. Robux.
Maybe you can only like use that website for only one time. And you
Yeah.
can't use it anymore. Maybe that's one. Hey guys, make sure to go to that website. It will give you free Robux.
But
Steven is not
if you
lying.
don't,
He is
if
never
you don't
lied.
have a Gmail or anything, just buy Robux if you can. If your parents let you, then that's fine. But if you don't, and your parents let you use the website Awkward Rewards, then
No.
Right now, I'm glad that I made it.
Oh yeah, there's another way. I never knew that.
some of these things are hacks, life hacks.
Nadia? No.
What?
She didn't. Well, she's still in the game.
She's right there. Nadia plays.
I'm at the purple part.
No.
It's a disco attack. The purple is the disco attack. There's so many.
Oh, Daryl made it to the purple part. He passed the peach part.
I need to focus. I need to get to there.
Just so you know,
Oh yeah, guys. Also,
if I get so much likes, I'll give everybody a shout out who liked and whoever subscribed and turn on notifications. Just put your name
Make sure to
and
add us on Discord if you have Discord.
just put your name and comment down below so I could shout you out in the next video.
Yeah.
And so will my friends. And especially my friend Zaraya. She makes live streams. So if you go to her YouTube channel, you can watch her live. If you say something to her in the live chat, she might shout you out. She really will. Because she's nice. And she gives you so much shout outs. You could even friend her on Fortnite and friend her on Roblox and she'll accept it.
Oh, this part though.
The peach part is kind of hard. This video is 7 minutes long. No!
No, somebody's about to make it.
My mouse won't work for some reason.
This is bad. Be careful with the purple part. It's a disco of death. And I'm telling you, it's disco of death.
Oh, my other friend Necro joined. His real name is Joseph K. But he doesn't have Discord. We tried to tell him, but I don't think he can get it.
Thing.
It's good that he joined because he made it to the video. Oh yeah, and he also has a YouTube
video.
No. You guys want to tell people I'm making a video? That's fine with me. I won't say anything.
No, because they'll think that you're pretending. Right? I think we should wrap it up.
I actually don't care if what they think. Joseph K. Did he even make a
I thought
video?
Joseph K.
This is my friend Joseph K.
Yeah, guys, make sure to subscribe to his channel too.
Yeah, and like and comment down below. He makes raps, diss tracks.
He makes funny videos too.
Yup.
I do that's a
Finally. That's what he likes to say. Oh, I almost fell. The purple part is hard. You could die in it.
The purple part is easy for me.
disco of death. I don't even know how I made it.
Here, I'm just gonna follow you.
Made it.
I died.
No.
No one raged. You guys are hard challengers.
Nadia left the
She
game.
left.
She rage quit. I think that counts as a rage quit. So she lost.
She lost.
No, she didn't rage quit. I think she had to do something.
Yeah, maybe. She usually says she's
I can't hear
busy.
nobody on Discord.
Spiky cylinder. Huh. Let's see what this is. Oh,
This is so easy.
let's go. No.
Okay.
Hard. What do you mean easy? Look at this.
Well, if Joseph K can do it, we can do it.
Yes.
I made it to the blue part.
Well, actually, on the bright side, this does look easy.
Ah! Tell Joseph K to try not to rage challenge.
Yes. Finally.
I told Joseph K that we're making a video. She didn't answer.
Because he usually does not answer. He answers to private server.
And I will be posting another video.
Tower of Hell.
I'll be posting another video, and it's gonna be about a game on Roblox to help you get better on Fortnite. And I think you guys know what it is.
Maria joined and left the call because she couldn't hear us. Now we can hear you. Oh yeah, because you were muted.
Do you guys know the game I'm talking about to help you get better on Fortnite? If you do, just shout it out. And we played it today.
Make sure to put your Fortnite name in the comments below. And
Yep.
we can add you. You can be in a video with us.
Yep. And if you want me to friend you or any of us, just tell us and we'll friend you because we're nice. We're nice people.
We're not like mean people. We're not.
Yeah.
Not like toxic people.
We don't
Yeah,
kick
we're toxic
you out the group. We won't kick you out the group, but we will have to kick you out if
Boys and
you're
girls
saying
can join that party
something not
too.
good.
So we
And
can
we either will leave the group or kick you out the group so other people could join so we could play with them on
Yeah.
Fortnite.
So if you get kicked out, don't worry. Other people has to play with us too.
So if you friend us, you can join us on private server.
Yep, I can make it private and we could you could watch us. And
We can play creative, so we can play with 16 people.
I can make creative and make it public. Right now, I'm gonna end the video, but for some reason, my mouse is not working, so I'm gonna wipe it. BRB.
Okay.
See you people in the next video.
Daryl, it's not the end of the video though.
Oh.
He's just AFK. He's trying to fix his mouse, or probably wipe it or clean it.
Yeah, for some reason, it's not working or moving.
Yeah, I know that happens to me
I
too.
can only scroll in and out.
Try to turn it on and off again.
That's what I did, but it didn't work.
Just
They work for me when I do that.
recap. Make sure you
Right now, I think I'm stuck.
There's people pushing me off.
Okay, goodbye YouTube and see you next time. It might be today so I could show you how to get better on Fortnite. And you might see my friends too. So goodbye, or I'll make it any second. Like I can make it at 12 o'clock. So goodbye YouTube. And friends, you could say goodbye.
Bye.